pleasant morning. Vinoda Dilamani.
Kyun Ross.
Welcome you all to the Children's Day program of our school. In India, many great people were born and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of them.
हमारे नेहरू जी हम बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करता था। वो अपने पूर्ण हृदय से बहुत स्नेह से हम बच्चों को प्यार करता था।
14th November is a special day for all the children and this day is celebrated all over India.
जब भी नेहरू अपने काम पर व्यस्त रहता था उस समय वह अपने काम को छोड़कर हम बच्चों के साथ खेलने आते थे।
Here we are celebrating the birthday of Chacha Nehru. He is not only the Prime Minister and leader for children, he is also Chacha Nehru for them.
Now we can start our program.
Good morning. My name is Nivala Tangachan. I am studying 3rd standard. Happy Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th of November 1889. He was a freedom fighter. Motilal Nehru, his father, was also an important leader of the Indian independence movement. He was awarded the prestigious Regna in 1955. He was very fond of children. Hi friends, how are you doing today? Today is 14 November. Do you know what happened today? Today Chacha Nehru was born. He was born in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. His father name was Motilal Nehru and his mother name was Swarup Rani. He was first Prime Minister of India. He died today. So we celebrate his birthday. As the children say, wish a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish a very happy Children's Day. Thank you. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru. My mother's name is Swarup Rani. I love children very much. Children call me Chacha Nehru. My favorite flower is rose. To be successful in life, what you need is education. Cheers!
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am standing here for saying the importance of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India and also a freedom fighter. Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very well. Children also love him. Children only called Chachaji. Children are the wealth of the country. These are the words of Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. I wish you a happy Children's Day.
നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ പാടാൻ പോകുന്ന ഒരു ശിശുദിന ഗാനം. നമ്മ നിറഞ്ഞൊരു ചാച്ചാജി, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ തൻ പ്രിയനാകും നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി. നന്മ നിറഞ്ഞൊരു ചാച്ചാജി, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ തൻ പ്രിയനാകും നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി. റോസാപ്പൂവൻ ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ട് നെഹ്റു തൊപ്പി തലയിൽ വെച്ച് പുഞ്ചിരി ചാത്തി വരുന്നുണ്ടേ നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി. നന്മ നിറഞ്ഞൊരു ചാച്ചാജി, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ തൻ പ്രിയനാകും നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി. ഭാരത മണ്ണിനെ രക്ഷിക്കാൻ ഗാന്ധിയോടൊപ്പം നിന്നല്ലോ നമ്മുടെ നാടിൻ്റെ അഭിമാനം നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി. നന്മ നിറഞ്ഞൊരു ചാച്ചാജി, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ചാച്ചാജി.
Today I am going to sing a song about Chachaji in Hindi. Nehru Chacha, Nehru Chacha, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. Nehru Chacha, Nehru Chacha, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. हम बच्चों का जीवन डाला, देकर हमको लाडू दुलार. हम बच्चों का जीवन डाला, देकर हमको लाडू दुलार. देखते याद नवंबर 14 बाल दिवस कहलाता है. हम भारत के नन्हे बालक तुम्हें फूल ना पाएंगे. नेहरू चाचा, नेहरू चाचा, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Happy Children's Day. My name is Anshula Jaran. I am studying 3rd standard. Good morning everyone. First I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November every year in India. Birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was first Prime Minister of India. He and 14th November. Every year in India. It is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He compared children with buds of flowers. Children fondly called him Chachaji. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is also called Bal Divas. On this day, school and colleges organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, etc. Seats, book and gifts are distributed by the school to each or every child. Thank you so much. माला है तो रंग सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मजे. माला है तो रंग सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मजे. हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हमें सहराए. हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हमें सहराए. जन्मदिन चाचा जी का बाल दिन बच्चों का. जन्मदिन चाचा जी का बाल दिन बच्चों का. चाचा जी हमें प्यारे बच्चों के हैं दुलारे. चाचा जी हमें प्यारे बच्चों के हैं दुलारे. चाचा जी को याद करे उनका सम्मान करे. चाचा जी को याद करे उनका सम्मान करे. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे.